Okay, ADHD and Romantic Relationships. Here's a recommendation I actually got from Jessica McCabe's How to ADHD YouTube channel. She was talking with her partner about this concept that he invented called relationship accommodations. Similar to workplace accommodations, you basically ask for what you need. Of course, you need to know about yourself, your strengths and weaknesses with ADHD to ask for what you need. But I think it's a really important thing in romantic relationships. As an example, say you just never get the dishes done and it's a source of frustration for both you and your partner. Well, you can ask for an accommodation and say, look, I like to cook, I like to go shopping. I would prefer to do that instead of the dishes. Asking for what you need. And hopefully your partner is respectful of your difference and accepts your accommodation. Again, relationship accommodations, ask for what you need, and hopefully this will improve your romantic relationship. For more tips on ADHD, like this channel.